In today's video, we will discuss how to take a left turn at a traffic signal. We have already discussed this in one of our previous videos. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find it here. This lane is for going straight, so first change to the left lane. Here, you can take a left turn from both lanes. As you are a student, choose this lane. As you can see, you cannot make a U-turn from here. Wait for the traffic signal to turn green. Here, you can see the dotted line. Follow this dotted line. We have already discussed this before, so watch this video. Make sure to keep your car in the center of the lane. If you don't know how to keep your car centered, watch this video. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.